Hi, friends. Today we will see one more topic in expanding outward, that is non attachment. We will see how important the non attachment is for the spiritual growth. We should develop an ability to let go of things to accelerate your growth. Do you ever saw that you let go of something and the better things come to your life? You must have experienced, all of you check back, when you let go of the things that you must have experienced the better things in your life. This is one of the great challenge of the spiritual growth is let go and release the things that no longer needed for your higher purpose. When they are not serving you to reach your higher purpose, just let go of the things, release them from your life, and let them leave and embrace the new things that are coming to your into your life. Letting go is very, very important thing in our life. To grow, you must know. You must develop an attitude to let go of your anger, let go of your sadness. At the same time, sometimes you may have to let go of your roles such as victim or a savior. Let go of your relationships if it is not serving you. Let go of your job if you are not satisfied. Let go of the feelings or let go of the things that which is not at all serving your purpose. Sometimes it could be friends too. If they are not serving you or if they are not actually helping you to grow, then you may have to let go, because instead of spending your energy there, it's better to let them go and still love them. Okay, let them go, like give the freedom, to them and release them from your life, but still you can love them. Okay, there is a common belief that we see that in order to grow, you have to suffer. That's a common feeling, right? So there's no, friends, we need not suffer for the thing. Actual suffering is coming from attachment, not for growing. There's a suffering. Actually, if you are attached to a person, if you are attached to a thing, if you are attached to a routine, then actually the suffering comes whenever that particular thing is not happening. So growth means you should make changes, learn new skills, accept new forms, attitudes, perspectives, and people that into the life. Okay, some people think that they have to hang on the things because they may not get the better thing. No, universe always loves you. Whenever you let go of the things, whenever you release the things, universe will always give you the best thing that you like it, best you things that you want it. So always gives you the happy and happy results only. So look at the people, situations that are right now in your life. All this, just track back all the situations and the people. Do you like to, is there anything that you like to release? If you want to release, ask yourself. If you do not know what to release, ask your higher self, is there anything that I need to release for my good, for my higher good? Then higher self will give you the ability to choose in the form of intuitive thoughts. It will give you mentally, just hang mentally, you close your eyes and let the thoughts come to your mind, so that you will be able to know what is the approach that you have to take. Approach the change as a great adventure. Do not think that change is suffering, friends. Change is great adventure. The new things are going to come to your life. If you are leaving the old things, means that the new and exciting happy things are coming to your life. Believe that all change is for your higher good only. If something is getting changing, all good is change is happening only for your higher good. So joyful, peaceful ways of trusting the universe is the best thing. Okay, the path is easy for those who have no preferences. If you want this thing should happen this way, that thing should happen that way, if you have preferences, then the path will be difficult. If you have no preferences, no choices, just want your joy, and then you can just go, because universe always gives you best things that you want in your life. Let go of the strong preferences or opinions is the best thing, because that is the attachment you are having. You cannot put your energy on something, or you cannot put your energy on the attachment. That will gives you the pain later. Start practicing the non-attachment by taking a small things into your life. Do not think that non-attachment means not loving. There is a difference. You still loving them, you are still taking care of them, but you have to be detached. You have to understand between the love and the attachment. So if you are getting attached, then it is the problem. Still love them, still do everything that they need, but when they need it, when they need a space, release them from your life. Still love them, still continue to love them. Do not feel you controlled by them, or do not feel like you controlling them. So in the love there is nothing like controlling, right? So do not do that. And when if they want to leave in your life, do not judge them. Let them go calmly. Still send all the positive thoughts and let them be happy. Release them from your life. Okay, try to be observant of your life. You should be the observant of your life, and then take an action calmly. In this way you can practice non-attachment easily. Learn to trust your intuitions and take the actions that messages coming from your higher self as a intuitive messages. Always higher self, as I'm telling from the beginning, higher self always works for you, always gives you the best advices only. So take the intuitive messages from the higher self and then act upon it. Do not worry about the number of people that are around you, and do not worry about what other peoples will say, or all the things. Go with you to intuitive messages, and everything will be good for you. Detach from needing have a work this certain way, or detach from the need of, or detach from that, oh, I may fail. Detach from that particular feeling. If you fail, so what? Next time you will pass, or you will learn a lesson from it. What will happen? Because of that feel of failuring, you are not actually attempting to change the new things. So do not worry, friends, because nobody was successful at the first attempt. Don't worry about it. Non-attachment is serving people's higher selves rather than the personality selves. So it is always serving the higher selves. Non-attachment means not that you are not caring. You are still caring, but you are say with the non-attachment requires to know what you value. You honor your truth and come with your integrity. That is, the attachment is wanting to take care of the people and solve their problems on behalf of them. Do you want to do that? You can care them, but you cannot solve the other people. Usually we does, right? Kids will give an advice, and we go and do that because we are so much attached with the kids, right? So similarly, in that way, you should not do that kind of thing. You give an advice when required and let them free them so that they can take care of it. You do not work for them. You give an advice and then they let them work on their behalf. Learn to detach the people's personalities and their pursuit for faults. If they are doing fault, okay, they will learn from their own experience. Why are you worrying about it? Okay, so you just follow your inner guidance. Always never attach, never help other people by just giving you all your energy. Suppose when you are giving, and a friend of you came and gave you like, oh, I'm having that problem, this problem. First, slow down and understand whether she needs your advice, or whether she needs a solution from you, or whether she just need a crying shoulder. So if she just need a crying shoulder, do you want to keep all your energies by taking all her problems into you? Remember, if she just need a crying shoulder, you need not waste your energies. So remember, friends, and also you should not solve her problems. You should just listen and let her find out the solutions. If you can give an advice, be detached. Do not worry about whether she's following your, again, do not get attached to your advice also. You are not responsible for making the other people's life work as they are. You are not responsible, right? You are responsible only for your life, and they are responsible for only their life. So whenever you are trying to put energy, always remember whether you are putting it the right place or not. As you give a freedom to others, you becomes free for yourself also. So always give the freedom to others. You will find more joy and inner peace when you release your own attachments. Always you feel inner joy because you are not having any attachments. Your world will be expand and new opportunities will present themselves. Developing a quality of non-attachment will always give you freedom, friends. So let us all develop non-attachment. We still love the people around us, but still we are going to have develop a non-attachment that helps us to grow to our higher good. Okay, friends, thank you.